Here is a tour of the lifts at WestGate shopping centre in Stevenage. This shopping centre was built in 1986 and plans have been approved for refurbishment. If you would like to see this shopping centre before it gets refurbished, you'll have to go soon, as when I was there, they were repainting the car park, which was part of the refurbishment plans. First to the lift at H&M, which is not part of the refurbishment plans. The lift here is a Cone mono space built in 2014 with the Cone EcoDisc NMX11 motor.
Going up, doors closed.
This is the lift at H&M in Westgate shopping centre in Stevenage.
Doors open. Going down, doors closed.
It's a Cone mono space built in 2014 and it has NMX11 motor.
Going up, doors closed. First floor. Doors open. Going down.
Got very slow doors. Bit of rollback too.
Ground floor. Doors open.
And that's it. And now to the next lifts, which are the main lifts in Westgate shopping centre. These are Cone TMS glass lifts, which have been tweaked a little bit. They used to go really fast, but I think they've halved the speed. And they've made the efficiency worse on these. I'm not sure if that's because its logic has been replaced. Sadly, these epic lifts are part of the refurbishment plan, and so they will be modernised.
Third floor. Going down.
Shame that these are going to go.
Second floor. Going down.
Really going to miss these lifts when they're gone.
Ground floor. Going up. Third floor. Going down. Ground floor. Going up.
Switch to the other lift when we're on 3.
Third floor. Going down. Going down.
These lifts are really nice. I'm really going to miss these lifts
Going down.
because they're going to get modernised or replaced when the works start.
Ground floor.
And that's it. And now to the lift in the car park, which just serves the car park floors. This is also a cone TMS lift, but sadly this one has been broken for over 1.5 years now. Here is the state of the TMS, which serves the car park, the WestGate shopping centre car park. This lift has been broken for a 1.5 years now. And it is a cone TMS, I think, hydraulic, this one. Let's have a look. See, the lift is on level 2, as you can see. So let's go up to floor 2 to have a look. Stairs are very grotty. Here it is on level 2. They've put an out of order sign covering a little bit of where you can see into the cab. And that's it.